Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new here. Welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a place that I got for my birthday earlier this year, and the footage has just been sitting on my computer, and I thought, why not share it with you all? Why would I delete this stuff? It's just time to share it with you. So earlier this year for my birthday, I turned 28 back in February, and I had asked my mom to send me some Jamaican food. So they have a really great Jamaican grill food spot located in Richmond, Virginia. So if you're ever in that area, be sure to stop by, give this a try, let me know what you think. All I'm gonna say is Karina's Jamaican Grill is the best Jamaican food here in the parts like near Richmond. So therefore, I'm going to show you guys like the inside of this place. I'm also going to show you guys the little mini mukbang that me and Sky did. And so I want to finally get this off my computer and show you guys just the sit down mukbang that we did, and kind of show you some of the food and tell you what it is. So here we go. So Karina's Jamaican Grill is an authentic Jamaican cuisine in a fun, casual setting in South Richmond. It offers a little bit of everything, like lunch, dinner, happy hour, and good times. When you go to this place, you'll know, if you guys have watched Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, that they have been featured on that show. And so they serve authentic Jamaican cuisine in a fun, relaxed atmosphere. They have things from staples like oxtails and curry, goat, to pizzas, paninis, and handhelds. There's something for the whole family. You can eat well, have a drink, and relax here. And they are open Monday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. They are closed on New Year's Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day, and Boxing Day. They also have an online menu that can tell you all of the things that they have, such as the appetizers, the soups and salads, the grilled pizzas, the handhelds, the authentic Jamaican, the entrees and pasta, burritos, as well as what they have for the kids. They are open for online orders and phone takeout orders. They also have a lot of things on their menu, such as Jamaican jerk wings, Caribbean calamari. They have Appleton rum glazed ribs, conch fritters, jerk sliders, jerk chicken, jerk pork, shrimp, red bean. They also have things on like soups and salads, pumpkin soup, big bad soups, and they also have curry chicken, jerk chicken, island fried chicken, oxtail, curry, coat, roast jerk pork, and a combo platter where you can pick two for $16. So they also have like the whole red snapper. They have other items such as curry vegetable, shrimp rundown. Some of the things that they have for the kiddos, if you ever have your kids and need to go in, is they have like a mini Jamaican meal. They also have chicken tenders, cheese pizza, cheese quesadilla, and butter pasta that comes with Parmesan cheese. So I see that recently they have changed the menu for the kids, where they added a mini Jamaican meal that costs $5. So all of the kids' menus are $5, and most of the authentic platters for the Jamaican food is roughly between $9 and $12 for the lunch, and if you get the larger, it's between $13 and $16. So it's really great prices, really great things to buy. There's also entrees such as tilapia, fried salmon, grilled salmon, and the reggae ribeye steak, rasta pasta, and stuff like that. So I think that you all would really like this place. If you're ever there, stop by and place your order to pick up and take it to go with you, as it is a great authentic Jamaican cuisine that's definitely worth trying. So just to show you all what I got, I ended up getting 3 bags because we spent about $50 to $60 on this meal. So I got some curry chicken, I got the jerk chicken, I also got oxtails, we got the cocoa bread, we also got the kids the buttered pasta, and then we got some of the Appleton rum ribs. They gave us some coleslaw, and I got extra cabbage and extra beans and rice. So for my birthday, I ended up like setting up the whole table into basically just like a Jamaican styled themed birthday, where I had a black tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, and I had red, yellow, and green spoons, forks, knives, and stuff like that to have a great birthday. Alright, y'all, so I decided to go ahead and set the table up with all of the meals. No, not all of this was for myself. It was for me and the kiddos and Chuck as well. So this is how the cocoa bread comes. We just broke it in half and gave each other some. I definitely wanted to make some of my own cocoa bread, so I did that earlier this year as well as part of my Caribbean collab that me and another YouTuber had hosted. So if you ever want to learn how to make some cocoa bread, go check that out on my channel. First, I wanted to start off with some curry chicken because that's my favorite, and then I feel like it would be the oxtails and then the jerk chicken. The cabbage and the rice and beans are one of my ultimate favorites. I always say, Mom, ask for extras on that cabbage and that beans and rice because it be hitting. So of course this is about an hour away from me, so it is very hard to get to it, especially when I don't travel very far, unless it's actually planned. So I wanted to go ahead and get as much food on my plate for the first go around as I could, but I was like, this is just way too much for me. So I did go ahead and get me some oxtails on my plate, but I also wanted the curry chicken, but I wanted to make sure that I had some cocoa bread, that cabbage, and the beans and rice. Y'all don't know how bad I wanted to turn this into a mukbang, and I thought that I would, but Charles was in the background talking and playing the game, so I just decided to go ahead and speed it up to show you guys me actually eating the food as a mukbang. I really wanted to talk to you all about the food and just like, you know, how good it was, but with him playing Call of Duty in the background, it totally messed up my mukbang, and with him talking, it was very impossible to keep the footage that I had for the mukbang without having to do a voiceover. But like I said, I hope that you guys get to see the food and, you know, see how much I enjoyed it. Definitely loved sharing this food with the kiddos, and by plate 1 I was stuffed. I decided to go ahead and have plate number 2 just because I was still hungry, y'all. So I don't play about my cabbage, and I don't play about my oxtails, and I don't play about my beans and rice. So and this is the part where me and Sky get ready to do a little mini mukbang. We're just talking and having a good old little time the day after, you know, having our seconds on our Jamaican food. On our plates, we have curry chicken, cabbage, and beans and red beans and rice. And I have some bread. Would you like a little bit of bread? That's cocoa bread. Yum! Yeah, so let's eat.
I'm gonna try this.
I'm gonna put my bread over there. What you think?
Good.
Good. And of course, this is the point where I'm going to tell you guys I have no idea why my head got cut off. Obviously, I did not zoom the camera out enough, or I didn't have it up high enough. But I'm just letting y'all see me enjoy myself for my birthday. Like I said, my birthday was back in February. I just did not want the footage to go to waste. But I definitely want you all, if you are in that area, to see what the food looks like. And I want you guys to give it a try if you ever stop by. I will say that one of the best things about this is that you guys can eat on this for at least 2 or 3 days before throwing it in the trash. So that is one benefit of this, as well as the fact that they give you a good amount of meat, a good amount of cabbage, and a good amount of the beans and rice. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'm so glad that I'm now able to get this video off of my computer and shown to you all. If you guys ever visit Virginia and you're near the Richmond, Virginia area, be sure to stop into Karina's Jamaican bar, and definitely know that you can order online and pick up and go and take it with you. It's definitely a great one, and I definitely look forward to getting it again soon.